Obia wonyim bia no oba wonya prophecy. Opa omanya bets.
Or this will be a would your person
Mekwa check from every hospital. Ni I say 2024 nipa ba kokora ngu a 2013 CNN report here say omanya edro for COVID. China for kwanya edro for ba ko bi a owo akola na akola ni tie ketekete mo. Yeah. No so say no. Enti we nyam conscience.
But Okase unexpected African country to win AFCON.
And no say another big fallacy. Mameka be being sure. North Africa, Egypt, Omone the powerhouse. Egypt, Omoba, West Africa, Omonyade. O show baby a yeho na Ivory Coast on players no, current players no, Omunyehu. Senegal Omunyehu. Okay, tell me say name what country will win. I didn't know 84 for him. Yakes a prophet. Oba also, Ethiopia will win this AFCON. No two ways. No winning man will say you are a prophet. Boni Palidin can and I say who so come there, go to the person and tell him, say, oh, but Papa, when you win mahunti, you win. And only a first said prophet. Nothing they never know to do. I am here.
But was it an ants eating the flag of MPP was watching. A greater part of flag was eating. And I woke up from sleep.
Obia him say MPP ni amemo na nkoyie. Etu ka chem say aunt na edidi a aunt no mpato akakraka no bia na nketo no bi na edi when flag no. Nketo na akese bi
ko aunt be aunt.
Ka chem say we so enfa. Because obia him say economy no agija. Enkoyie
ba we go the enye nkom show o say or sorry free and name or say and I woke up from sleep and I die no so.
Also die and ya me so me pattern and say me so so die. Me die na me dey me so metimi aka ne. Metimi aka che say election no e be call run off. Enti so afasa prophecy na she man to ofanship.
I say John Muhammad to win. I say to win or I say will win. Say Muhammad to win 2024 presidential elections.
Me catch say John Muhammad will win. All you see to win, me make say. You see, any commission or channel. Obi enim send your mind jija. Obi enim send your near me kwa. Say as ye ka say MPP. Say all person win ya bana. Obo na nam only one message. Apart from the only message bia. It is a message na ma don't win hands down. Any competition. Ba me no dey buy any competition. Where you opposing. Do you say he's supposed to win? And means one can say what you sure. Nya me be awesome. Papa. This is serious. The IDP should arrest him.
For what?
Yes! This is criminal. When you say somebody should not be wicked, it means that they should take up arms. It means that they should take up arms. And what? Fight! The next time, no John Mahama or Winia. Why? Ghana, why now? You Winia so be against the semi-farmer. Where you threat to what? National security. And IGP should act on it.
But also a prophetic.
And you're prophetic. He's been a liar. They should act upon it and arrest him.
No, also in the realms of the spirit, no. 2020, no result, no.
When your results be an incompetent or share no percent or then I mean ya say incompetent or share no, it has to come to pass.
But how do this prophecy?
They don't see anything. Me short mom come. So for Bia Obeka Bibia Efinyam, you will survive. 2025, I'm telling you. No, I'm telling you. Tell me, catch on.
The NDC must keep extra focus on Greater Accra so that it is not sold.
Sold to who?
Just sold.
Sold to who?
But
no, you see who can someone see? These are national issues you are talking about. Be specific, and this will win the Greater Accra and hold you to it.
Happy New Year. Now, I'm talk about too much age. When you first time I do video to a message say, subscribe to your page. And me, I don't mind. I was on the same year. Upload videos now on say everything I can. You grow a new year. When I say any mono, 31st December be an year. A day for now. Omo say, "Nyame bio money, no nyame bio maso. Omo tin sem no mukunye mano. Omo try say, omo dan a hinta sem e wo afinimu edi. Say ne be ye remu a ye hu ne ye wo say isi. any near and will say isi. Now and Nigel Gaisie at the Abbott Pontino, Mama, and young Mama, Mama, it was and constantly the insane people now send and Semisifatino. You see, couldn't ever buy setting, I dissected near shade you because you won't say a banner and come said there when you know a kind of no be a casa. It be no to me, Mundu Yame, a kaye, but that communicating it becomes a challenge. Insanity and come home and name Director Ben Bruce, I come and break my days. Director Ben Bruce, what's what? Afrishapa, Africa, yeah, Africa say there. I feel in Connery, no, no, Yamu, why you yipa.
Amen. And also, your picture, then you want a picture up on purpose, so I say, Amen.
Amen. Now, and come say, ah, Papa, Nigel Gaisie, Oprah Penny, that bet 12 and come say, him. Who said, we I call yipa last year, but shall come 27 day, according to Senny or no canon. Now, this time, so Sunday, I'm not 30, I bet. It was a winning I had 30 in a baby. But I won't say, bet you are for your mamma fish and pass.
Send a baby American, say Nigel, on your Yaminipa, on your soft, on your Bible.
The baby, on what?
Some other Kaba, maybe Kaba.
Because Obia, when you are Miss of Fool.
Dabby, you will differ or Tiffany. And you will be on one body tree. What I can't hear. Come set 27 years, I hit 30 no share last week. Near Bell Penny West African cool and look direct. You see, yeah, man, yame, I yet to say Obi or Sheloto. As if said God is confused, God nim your ye. But yame on him ye be seeing or china or chinechi. Or say na uwo me yam na minimo. Uchitsu na mini back. It's yameno on your pure limited in knowing.
That's true.
But yeah, I'm a feel saying yame limited to know what is going to happen. Because in commission ocean, Bibia yet definite that. Who didn't know? Say Nyama AC West African countries are a duwa presidents, no, they don't want to wake up from the seat, no. It won't trigger coup. That was what happened in Ghana. Yeah, back in 79, 81, and they see what Ghana, we are fortunate say, Obia term swan or say our exits. It's Obikra, so the Ukraine is so when they don't hold on to power. Who hold on to power could never. It's not when your prophecy.
There be a also baby. A banner and construct a crab minimum say a toda. It never be a air cost now, Zenitiano. Sibia, Kua, Semia, okay. It's a banner say a two bit mutra. And the Drusuban say about something else. And Zebia, when you meet forward town, no, says I didn't a sinner moody diagrono. Na Cassia Beba and I G in seminar. Say a homeship.
Okay. But your security expert, your friend, Bangui.
Okay.
I say West Africa. Send your oil deposits in Waha. The West will come in and play. Baby, all you want, America is interested. Number two, after COVID, no, most of our economies no echo down or come war. Three, the politicians no almost leave it to say Arabian kings. So people are angry. Four, people don't want to give up power. Inti Bangbe no ono ka same way 2021 patch na yen come say. Na COVID nearby no. It will say going forward no. This is what is going to happen. And tell me say you don't need to be a prophet to know what he is knowing. You don't need to be a prophet. This is idea we do uti eto fema ube say you know is going. And come sha obi be share de bia make say me no 208 yes share Akufo-Addo won come 2016. Ebemo eno dey come say na yes oba be say oye we oba wini nyame nyesa.
Okay. Bibi, because I am going to come saying.
Okay.
Because I never go idea. Mo say yourself explained.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be. We say number one. Or see women in expectation of childbirth will be giving birth. Hey, good prophecy.
Obi on him be oba. Obia on him be an oba when your prophecy.
I know behind on him.
What? Ebibewu. Is it saying say obi anu?
Just
no.
Obi anu.
Opa on my your bets.
Or this will be a person who
check it from every hospital. Near also 2024, Nipa Bakura Mua.
when you got the one check grandpa now on bet me here.
You bet me in your data no. Some bad might be dispute again.
Number 2, or say general discovery of world of medicine cure for deadly disease. China and US in the lead.
And also a fallacy. 2013 CNN report here say Omanya a draw for COVID. China for Kenya a draw for Bakubia over Kolaniti. Yeah. And also no society I know. Until when young conscience.
But Okase unexpected African country to win AFCON.
And also another big fallacy. Mameka be being sure. North Africa, Egypt, Omone the powerhouse. Egypt, Omoba, West Africa, Omonyade. What should be a Yahoo in the Ivory Coast on players, no current players, no Omunyehu. Senegal or Munyehu. Okay, tell me, say, name what country will win. I didn't know 84 for him. Yakes a prophet. Oba also, Ethiopia will win this AFCON. No 2 ways. No winning man will say you're a prophet. Now they don't can event.
But I said they could be said the IGP share anything and comes to do on.
Oh, that football here. Collect me prophesy football. Nobody winning. And now you can say you are there be a team I hear dynamics now nobody winning win to 2021. It's scientific. It won't come shall catch him so this country will win. Don't come and tell me unexpected. No. And young come shall.
But was it a West African president could be poisoned after an attempt? If not careful, he will be poisoned. We may say that the opposition.
I or say we no Oka Ghana president. Asem was Wakanda. But you see, Mami can be being channel. Eliase, me am it here. Ya poison me da.
Okay.
Eliase, onye careful, you be. So how much more the presidency? Obia itina presidency was security detail. It took away ya own carry. Bonipani din can and I say who so can there go to the person and tell him say oh but papa ebia when you mahunti ye when and only a for say prophet nothing they even now to do Zion say
but was it an ants eating the flag of MPP was watching a greater part of flag was eaten and I woke up from sleep.
Obia you say MPP amemo na nkoyi Itu catch him say aunt need dia aunt no batwa kakraka no bia na nketo no bi na edi when flag no nketo na akese ni
or aunt be aunt
catch him say when so enfa because obia him say economy no agija enkoye
but we put the enyan come show or say or sorry free and name or say and I woke up from sleep and die no so
I also die and ya me so me pattern and say me so maso die me die na me dia me so metimi akan na Met me a catch and say election no a better run off. Inti so I first a prophecy man into offensive.
Or say pray for Putin. His seat have been taken.
And no say another fallacy. Last year.
And then comes in no problem with you.
And yet no correct. Last year, the body almost sorry Tiano. Emma come running down on what the capital. It took the intervention of other people. No stop it. Say see I make say. Russian mafia a year ni for almost sorry to Putin because almost feel say he's been weak when it comes to the war on what Ukraine and likely say Russian president no tell you or yare and likely say almost use what we call bubble ni ame patch say president for North Korea and other way almost doubles because security no me say you back hwehwe obi a or sell pepepe. According to sources, no, almost you should up because Vladimir Putin is not feeling well for a long time. And to catch him say he can be overthrown, now make me actual the genesis of it. When you come say.
But I say John Mahama to win. I say to win, or I say will win. Say Mahama to win 2024 presidential elections.
Me catch and say John Mahama will win. All you say to win, me catch say. You see, any commission or channel. Obi enim send your mind jija. Obi enim send your near kwa say as ye ka say LPP say all person win ya bana only one message apart from the only message bia it is a message number don't win hands down any competition but me on the buy any competition where you opposing you can say he's supposed to win and means one can say one sure nya me be no so oba na me chere no nya me papa
or say NDC must be vigilant. He said the NDC won 2020 in the realms of the spirit, but prophetic prompting says they were not alert and watchful. Lord warns this year 2024 is for them, but if care is not taken, weakness won't take them to Jubilee House.
This is serious. The IDP should arrest him.
For what?
Yes, this is criminal. When you say somebody should not be weakened, it means that they should take up arms. It means that about one and year they should take up arms and what, fight. What is being weakened?
So weakness be a
no, weakness means I have lost. Last 2016 they lost by over 1 million. The last time we lose by 500,000. When your numbers are making say close, a huge numbers. The next time no John Mahama or Winia. Why Ghana? Why now? You Winia so be semi farmer. Where threat to what? National security. And IGP should act on it.
But also a prophetic.
And you're prophetic. He's been a liar. They should act upon it and arrest him.
No, also in the realms of the spirit, no. 2020, no result, no.
When your results be an income no share na bamu no person or the nine ya say income no share no, it has to come to pass.
But how do this prophecy?
They don't see anything. They don't see. Boss, you are a prophet. You see. They don't see.
Me brother.
Yes. They don't see. They don't know what they are saying. Oh, money. Oh, hey. They do a normal can you maybe a boy but they don't see anything. Me, I'm telling you on a fact. When I see somebody who has something, I know. Say this person has something. Nigel does not have anything. Only the spirit of prophecy. Only any spirit. Only even the spirit of God.
But how is it that Sir Nyame who need this one? I say I don't need this one. He has come very far.
Very far. Oh, me boy, papa me di so no ni nyame o. Ben come sure share over 3,000 years ago ni nyina bem. Oni nyame. Until you being able to prophesy does not mean you are from God. You are not from God. Because nyame nye loto. You know say nyame nye loto God. And then na ye nyame say o loto God oni mi oye. Or sorry I waka we kaka no yi we no adeba. E fallacy. Your kind in a
but say notable man of God of Ghana ancestry leaving the world, but he is praying against it.
He should stop praying. He should stop praying.
But more challenge you say, let me see Dr. Osuben Pamponche, any other incoming. In sending your car, maybe you say, what is the prophetic part of it? Near say, or say, Wakas and Bonnie. See be a bonny BC. I was a bonny BC, ye bon by semanisi. And on that all man yammy confuse God. Intimate say, where who she? Nasa will say, won't be tea bon by answer she is here. Near Castle by any tear. And ye lotto, Ghanaians should wake up. Ain't I dare will say, Cindy, Castle will be busy. Thank you. See anyone who say, Bessie, Cecilia make us a John Mahama will win the election. So now, should prophecy be about something that can be avoided or something that must come to pass? You see, there are prophecies that you need to be definite about it. Even if the Bible, no matter time now, LD for catcher on any to Babylon. While Waka said, we say, I see them so boo. Or catcher no straight. And no one can say a born and one pay and Yamisa Mano. When I'm going to be say, what not catcher the say? Say, Namedia can name real. Nyame is a definite God. Na nia ye dey ase aguru nyame ho na 2024 me sure mo monkom so for bia obeka bibia efinyam kupon you will survive 2025. I'm telling you. No, I'm telling you. Debbie me catch on. So for bia obeshe most of them no for trend.
Debbie ye for nyame trend many prepare ne nyame nya trender o person trend ya wo akoro na for na mkofo ye kukaton ni singaton kwana gwabi
Niketon.
Niketon and a preacher. Now, what did Yami never be training and Yami be cool this year? Because God will spare you. You see, it's high time. You didn't Yami one grow. You can you be sorry, I not come be actually Yami because people who are even in place as on my Yahunya coupon, they're not letting us see God. What to make a chance say, you will say, yes, no catch him, say prophecy, any prophecy. Who catch him say this year? Many sika, name me share me spending year. We are dream prophecy. Obian say when you stop spending, you get money.
You get money.
It is not prophecy.
But again, I say, police chief who can take care of security will likely be retained as IGP. Retained, that means a new person coming out by the same person.
Yeah, by the NDC background, they retain him.
They retain him. And if he will order his steps well, he will be retained. If he is careful, he will be called upon to be a running mate.
Another confused prophecy. The man will be retained as an IGP, but if he takes care, he will become the vice president. What is this? Obian himself down Harry. If you touch him, you've touched the people. And say NDC win here. If they want to have the popularity of the people, they should retain him. What or you're very popular with the people. And looting or walk as anti, Yami Patchen say when you know a mind game.
But I say running mate of a winning party will be the subject of Eastern and Central region.
But I know my main country on the interior Casano. Mami Jane Mensa of the Central region.
Okay.
And a former chief of staff on the Eastern region. We were feeling the former chief of staff and John Mahama on the Eastern region. Go for 2 weeks in a president John Mahama. Or you almost said, why not better?
How do you know?
Because I'm a politician, I know. When you have your mind on the floor, you know. When your prophecy. Catch me exactly say, oh, the old two no, oh, the mammy easy, man. Won't you shoot the panel? I John Mahama who choose. Or no crap, they are going closer to John Mahama. So he should have known.
But I say NDC won in Amasama constituency.
Why didn't Amasama MP not on Yade? It is a MPP or mine, no mind, Nipa or credible. They will lose their seats.
I say NDC must sit up in Medina or lose the seat.
I know say another fallacy. You have a 12. What share candidates now MPP person on the banner are very popular on the ground. It's your banner, sir lawyer no. Why any man be Brahma say the popularity no akofem. It's you are likely say they might have problems.
But it seems like most of them comes in a direct is or massive.
I know when you come share. Where you all can argue.
Or the NDC must keep extra focus on Greater Accra so that it is not sold.
Sold to who?
Just sold.
We sold to who?
But over Yancy,
no, you see who can someone you see these are national issues you are talking about. Be specific. And this will win the Greater Accra, may hold you to it. And people will win, here may hold you to it. Me catch them say NDC will win voter region, and me hold you because I know it's a fact.
But we are credible. Was NPP will lose more seats, 170 seats in Parliament for NDC, a big majority. Element of God will come and vote. Ish. Vigilance is all that is needed. NDC declared ruling government by 9 p.m. on the day of voting.
You see, I don't say, this is Yamiana or Betuama.
Baby intervening.
Mami can't be sure. There is confusion within the ranks of MPP candidates. Most of them, no, I'm person standing. So there's going to be what new people coming in. Now, new people now coming in, they will face an MPP people who are almost notable known. Oh, bad baby, it is a CA. I have said one cat, but me make a change this. Patrick Bois will be facing the biggest threats to his political career this year. For a guy now, NDC president, or you're very popular among the Zongos.
Yeah, but it's
very popular, very rich. Or you're in Kola, or you're influential in Ghana. I wouldn't worry, a very big threat to Patrick Bois. Enti what do I want to need to farmer when you come share a idea down a horse say NDC Gura they will lose their seats for the first time.
Okay, also there will be rights of LGBTQ, so need prayer.
Now say don't know what you have sign. Where prayer?
But I said bonus says how much mean signing this year no.
Prayer.
Last
year, Ocasia Bessign, and no, my father said, but no one can. Last year, I was here Bessign Bill.
Sir, in your man and come share in some saying I'm being
Mr. Commission in Yamam near them more than 2 wire, who never buy, who never for Canada.
But was it December 7 will come with artificial problems created in some constituencies. God will change the government himself. 72 people have vowed to block Kwame Dramani. Lots of looting and infractions. Victory is of the NDC flag. So we need to do.
It is a media marker. May man can't say we been a baby view. May say NDC will win this election. Massacre predicted 2028. Or only foresight, or a bias prophet, or a bias for NDC. It will be Papa Bia and people. My message will come this year. Inflation will reach single digits this year. It will come channel. You should be careful. Wow, they be a miss Nigel or you'll be our shank come Mawa. And so we come bump extra. Because a man. The commission or Castle John Mahama be winning 2016 so be win or lose 2020 be sa or shall come them.
But when they say election 2020-24 will be bloodier than 2020 and need for vigilance.
Every election in Ghana has been bloody. Something that me and Kasami why it should be so. But it's because the presidency, it has so much power to be up a waba. But ye said if you are, trust me, politicians will even fight for what? Power. It's way okay. Obia should just go and vote. We are Kofi.
Also, EC will misbehave.
When so I said, this is a corner question. Aye. There's a corner question.
So say EC will misbehave.
How would they misbehave?
Just a result on the massage figures.
And one of the fallacies Ghana politicians and they are to a say ye nobody, no EC can change what the electoral fortunes of this country. Or just one person. The role of the electoral is a how does this person change it? Say yes, how do you tell me the EC can change what? Nobody can do it.
But if not, why is it that party be about to show some EC?
And only idea is some constitution and your papa. Because you have two teams, say, but go choose. How? It will be how that sentiment, but the truth is that a certain him, 17 him, say, yes, be any war bet me as son about Ghana. A imagination, some person here to put fear in the people. You was almost so put fear because you are to mama BBC. That's all. Until you are sharing I can come share.
Okay, maybe, but as a person you are doing your casa, you say they come anybody here. In total, we shall come share na the Gaisie share na. Papa be ne bit ma fa wo and after then so na bit ma kan fa en ko so dey na.
Me dey meet me for ababa kokore ni. Me no meet me man come share papa. Yeah, so I'm not no me. Na me man come share na o kan share the growth. Come share me patch and say election 2024 will go to a runoff. John Mahama will win the election. Ghana, your balance of payments, inflation, everything will be okay in 2024. Ghana will prosper in 2024. That is my prediction and my prophecy.
But now, say the okay baby more. How is it going to be? Because in Kofoni Group say things are not in good shape. So if things will be in good shape, how will the NPP still lose?
And then I can say as huge and then you can see a 2 about the results will be huge. For the NDC will win by huge margin. But trust me, Nyama be improve it this year. It's a member margin no a close. And yet say we no. And no na ebema NDC one watch on 2028 because Nyama improve on be so more on be jam because John Mahama is just for one term. Obejam so the next person or be competing for NDC no on this way facing problem. And what they do me president. Mini Papa Akopre Canada Japan. I am made in Ghana of our president 2028.
Amen. Inshallah.
Amen.
Ebushia me da so nya prende utie me director bibi na edin komo. Nkomo nyina no efa ye papa enkom show de beto abonten na de Okaya a dance near say and 40 with the flag of MPP. No, or you come share ya say or sorry free name passo. If you are too much, you must say subscribe to your page. We next send a wagin to be as well. Chawadwin, I will comment on you how I want to wagin is if I ever in Semio. It was essential.